One can of Coke is not going to kill you. It's not going to make you overweight or give you heart disease. However, that's a principle taken totally out of context. We're in a world in which we eat too much, we're overweight, and we're suffering all the problems that come from being overweight. And in that context, there are bad foods that we should be eating less of. And one of them is sugar. And the major bearer of sugar in the British diet is soft drinks. And the major brand of soft drinks is Coca-Cola. So we should be drinking less sugared Coca-Cola. We've got to be realistic, right? We've been trying to educate people for 30 years to choose different foods, and it's failed. We keep getting fatter and fatter. Many people are proposing taxes, but unfortunately they're economically ineffective, they don't change behavior enough, and they're politically unacceptable in the midst of a recession in a country that hates taxes in any case. We've also, lots of people think we can regulate the industry, but that's unrealistic in the European context when it takes 40 years to get agreement and enforce anything. If we're really practical, and we've got to be practical when we're faced with a diabetes epidemic that's coming, we need to do something effective quickly that actually improves public health. And my suggestion of pragmatism, not idealism, but pragmatism, is that we start reformulating the mass market popular foods that most people eat most of the time. It's a change of strategy. Start trying to change the foods rather than trying to change the people. Sweeteners are one option in some applications for reformulating sweet foods, and they can eliminate the sugar and the calories entirely. It's an option for reformulation that's quite powerful. However, everyone will know that sweet food additives are controversial, sweeteners more than most, and aspartame most of all. There's a raging polemic going on for and against aspartame. However, on the evidence we have, the scientific evidence, and there has never been a food ingredient that's been studied more than aspartame. On the current evidence we have, the proven health risks of sugar are greater than any potential health risks of sweeteners. Therefore, choosing foods using sweeteners is a healthier choice than foods full of sugar. This is not to say that aspartame or other sweeteners are healthy per se, but they're demonstrably less risky than sugar.